Alopecia is hair loss. Programmed cell death, apoptosis, a diagnostic procedure to remove a small sample of tissue to be examined to detect malignant cells, biopsy. Delivery of radiation therapy through internal implants, brachytherapy, a disease process whereby cells proliferate abnormally, cancer. Process of transforming normal cells into malignant cells, carcinogenesis. Use of medications to kill tumor cells by interfering with cellular functions and reproductions, chemotherapy. Increase in the number of cells of a tissue, hyperplasia. Having cells or processes that are characteristic of cancer, malignant. Conversion of one type of mature cell into another type of cell, metaplasia. Spread of cancer cells from the primary tumor to distant sites, metastasis. Uncontrolled cell growth that follows no physiologic demand, neoplasia. Abnormally low neutrophil count, neutropenia. Field or study of cancer, oncology. Relief of symptoms associated with cancer, palliation. Use of ionizing radiation to interrupt the growth of malignant cells, radiation therapy. Inflammation of the oral tissues often associated with some chemotherapeutic agents, stomatitis. Process of determining the size and spread or metastasis of a tumor, staging. Decrease in the number of circulating platelets, thrombocytopenia. TSA full form, tumor specific antigen. Dry oral cavity resulting from decreased function of salivary glands, xerostomia. Cancerous cells are described as malignant neoplasms. The growth of the primary tumor into the surrounding host tissues is invasion. Malignant tumor of endothelial lining, Ewing's sarcoma. Benign tumor of bone, osteoma. Key mechanisms by which cancer cells spread are lymph and blood. A mechanism by which the tumor cells ensured a blood supply, angiogenesis. The transport of tumor cells through the lymphatic circulation, lymphatic spread. Agents that initiate or promote cellular transformation, carcinogens. DASH has been associated with an increased incidence of gastric malignancy, Helicobacter pylori. HIV means human immunodeficiency virus is associated with DASH sarcoma, Kaposi sarcoma. Diethyl stilbestrol has long been recognized as a cause of vaginal carcinomas. Patients who are immunocompetent have been an increased incidence of cancer. The dissemination of malignant cells through the bloodstream is hematogenous spread. DASH are the soldiers of the cellular immune response, T lymphocytes. Thank you.